are going to love the 2015 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, body color door handles, lumbar support, power tilting steering wheel. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.